It's Black Friday time, and if you love traveling as much as we do or know someone that loves traveling, then this is hands down the best time of year to buy or upgrade your travel gear without paying full price.
Yeah, I mean, and I can tell you when we were buying the stuff that we needed to start traveling full time, we looked at the prices now and kind of gasped. I mean, there were some great deals out there. And I was wondering why weren't those deals out there when we needed it. But we didn't buy them during Black Friday. So it's the key time of year to take advantage of that.
Yeah, we've got our list in the link in the description of this video that gives you all of the travel essentials that we use while traveling. So we've tried and tested these products, and we're going to give you some highlights. We've gone through it. We have hyperlinks that will take you straight to Amazon, and you can buy these at up to 45% off, something
and
like
more
that.
In some cases.
So today we're sharing our Black Friday travel essentials we actually use on the road as early retirees traveling around the world. Things that have survived the airports, things that have survived long haul flights, packing, repacking, and living out of suitcases.
Well, and I can tell you, I usually take advantage of Black Friday deals anyway, but they were more general and they weren't geared toward travel like we do now. And there are some pretty crazy deals out there. They're kind of insane. Mm-hmm. And you know, if they're on yours or anybody else's wish list, this would be a great time to grab them.
Yeah. So whether you're planning your first international trip, or you're packing for a holiday getaway, or you just have that hard to buy for person that maybe loves to travel or just needs some travel essentials, this is for you, and hopefully you can save some money and find some deals and make your traveling so much better. So let's jump right in to our favorite travel essentials. So the very first thing on our list that we highly recommend, we use this all the time, not just traveling, it's a crossbody bag. It even has a little flashlight on the inside so you can see down in the crevices if you're looking for exact change or find something stuffed in the corner of your purse. It's great. And it has the anti-theft straps.
It has anti-theft straps and body, so there's wire woven in to the body of the bag and into the strap. And the strap's really comfortable, by the way. And the zipper tabs lock, so you can lock them and it makes it really secure, really pickpocket resistant.
Scan resistant.
Scan resistant. It has RFID pockets where you can put your cards and things in to keep them more secure. And I mean, I'm surprised we haven't worn it out yet. I mean, it has been, we use it literally all the time.
It's been really durable, and it's 45% off. So there you go. Go get yourself a crossbody.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
The number 2 thing we use all the time is our passport cover. Passports are kind of fragile. The pages get bent. They get a little ruffled. So we bought these passport covers. Right now they're 52% off. So jump in that link and grab those. They're great for protecting your passport. They're great for telling whose is whose, because the passports all look the same until you open them up. So mine is blue and his is gray. It's easier when you're rushing at the airport and you just grab them and have to hand them to the right person before you go through security. So the passport cover is a great deal, and they're super cheap.
Yes.
The next thing is,
we like a shoe called Keen brand, Keen. Primary reason we like it is that it's got wet water traction on the soles.
Yeah.
They dry really quickly, especially if you buy like a river sandal or whatever. And flip-flops aren't just the most practical thing when you're traveling overseas. No. And some places, they don't even want you to wear your flip-flops. They want you to wear something a little more formal. So take a look at Keen's. They're having great deals right now. They started about 40% off and up. And, when you get closer to Black Friday, it might even be better. But we highly recommend the product. It's extremely well made, made in the Pacific Northwest.
They'll last you years, maybe even decades.
Super durable. Number 4.
Yeah, the next couple of items are kind of packing tools. So we have compression bags that we've been using, and they're awesome. You put what you want in the bag, all of your clothes or whatever, and then you just compress the air out of it. I just fold it over and kind of put my knees on it. And they also make something similar called packing cubes, And those are just little individual cubes that you can position nicely in your bag.
Make them nice and organized and squared up.
Yeah. So those two are on really good sales right now. 47% for the packing bags, 38% off for the cubes. Really great deals.
Another one is a cooling towel. You've probably seen these. You wet them and you wring them out and you snap them and then they cool you. Cooling towels are great because we travel through Asia and I can tell you that humidity, it's unrelenting and hot, and that cooling towel, you could keep it wet, and it was really nice to dab off and help that water evaporate off your skin, and it was really worth it. Those things this is the perfect time of year to buy them because it's not summer, especially in the States, and they're about 34% off and higher.
Those are an awesome must-have, and they're not very expensive. The next thing, everyone needs this, is a luggage scale, a portable luggage scale. It's about this big, and it weighs your luggage. Now, when you leave the States, you're on one airline, and you're probably gonna know exactly what your suitcase needs to weigh. But when you get somewhere and maybe change airlines, or even when you just come back, because you're gonna have souvenirs, you're gonna have things that you're bringing back. So when you are traveling, you do not want to get to the airport and be over on your bag weight by a couple of ounces, because the fees for overweight bags are crazy. And usually they don't let you pay it there. You have to go to a totally different place to pay it and then come back. So it's a big waste of time.
Don't get caught off guard. Make sure you know what weights are allowed where, and then having that scale helps you balance your luggage. And it's really worth the investment.
Yeah, it's a really nice little, and it makes a great gift for people that you know that like to travel or travel for work or anything like that. It's a nice gift.
Yeah.
The next thing you can use anywhere, everyone should own one of these. It's a power bank.
Oh, yeah.
So it's 17% off right now. We use this one. We've used it forever. It works great. You keep it charged up, and then it lasts several days depending on
your cell phone, your laptop, your camera, whatever you're out in the field with during the day. It's a really nice backup because you can't depend on having somewhere to charge your phone when you're out, especially in a foreign country. So
a lot of the airports don't even have phone charging banks, and if they do, they're all used up by people grabbing them. So great to have a power bank with you. The next one is my favorite thing. It's my turtle pillow. It's a
TRTL, turtle.
It's a neck pillow, and it has this plastic thing in it, so it keeps kind of a bouncy, rigid somewhat of a
keeps your head from flopping
positioning,
around.
so you don't get that kink in your neck. I wear it in the airplanes and on long car rides, and it is 35% off right now for Black Friday. And the last thing,
there's a pill organizer. The older you get, the more pills you end up with. At least we do.
It's true.
And Tina found this great little pill organizer, about the size of a man's wallet, and it has multiple folding tiers in it. And you can separate all your pills out and literally bring weeks and weeks, if not months, depending on how many pills you have, of course, with you in a nice, compact, easy to get to compartment. Easily slides into your carry-on luggage, because you can lose all kinds of things at the airport, but if you lose your prescriptions or something, that's going to be a little bit harder to get overseas. So having those pills available and easy to get to, all in one place, is really worth it, and it's really inexpensive. It's about 22% off, but I can tell you, if you get closer to Black Friday, probably going to be more than that.
Well, maybe. And this is a great gift for anyone. I mean, you don't have to be a traveler to need a pill organizer. It fits nice in your purse or whatever you want to do with it. So we have all of these great options. We have more things. We have a list of a lot of the things we use for traveling in the link in our description of our video. We've just highlighted the ones that are on the best sale and the ones that we love. So we hope this helps. We hope you can buy some nice gifts for your friends and family and loved ones and save some money.
Yeah.
So happy holidays. Thanks, guys.
Thanks.